James Gurney here. I'm on the campus of Bard College. This is an old gatehouse, and what I'd like to do is draw it in pencil and watercolor. I spend just a few minutes drawing in the basic proportions, trying to get the measurements right. Then I wet the entire surface, and with a large 1-inch brush, drop in colors fairly loosely over the surface. Then I can come back in with a smaller brush to do the details of the stonework and the shadows, here softened with a brush filled with water. Then the final details can be accomplished using water-soluble colored pencils for the mortar between the stonework and some of the other textures.